The doors to the auditorium are now open. It's time to take your seats. We are thrilled to be welcoming audiences back through our doors, and this is what you can expect. As you arrive, there will be venue staff on hand to guide you through your visit. For test, trace, protect purposes, you'll be asked to scan the NHS COVID app. We ask that you wear face covering while visiting Venue Cymru to ensure maximum care for all visitors and staff. It can be removed in our hospitality areas and only to consume food or drink in the auditorium. Face coverings are not required if you are under 12 years old or exempt. Hand sanitising units will be placed throughout the venue. We encourage you to use these frequently, particularly when entering the building and before you take your seat in the auditorium. Contactless payments are available at all bars and kiosks. All auditorium, front of house spaces and touchpoints are subject to rigorous cleaning and sanitising. Please make sure you have downloaded your e-ticket before coming to the theatre. You'll find this in your confirmation email. You can show this on your mobile device without the need to print them. Lifts will be available for patrons' use. See you soon. We can't wait. Please help us to keep everyone safe at Venue Cymru. Do not attend if you are displaying any of the identified COVID-19 symptoms and contact the box office for further guidance.